Yes. Thank you very much, and hello everyone who is watching this tutorial. Welcome back to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the main steps you can use to become freelancer online, so that you can start making money online. So, as you know, and as we have been talking about, freelancing is one part of making money online, and is the best way you can use to make money online without some more difficulties of time, without some complications of skills. Whatever skills you may have, you can use them to be freelancer and to do freelancing jobs and make money online while you are home, while you are relaxing, while you are free, why you are not at work, why you are moving in a car. So this is the best way you can use to make money online. So today we're going to be talking about 7 steps to becoming freelancer online and start making money online. So now get started. But if you didn't subscribe to this channel, Normax TV, please subscribe now or like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Normax TV. So now let's get started. So the first step now you need to have so that you can be a successful freelancer is to define your service and offerings. You need to define your services and offerings. You need to define your services and offerings because this is what you will be giving to the client. Yes, this is what you'll be giving to the client. By defining your services and the offerings, this means that you have to identify which services you are able to serve the client, and what skills do you have which will help you to be serving those services to the clients. So this is the first step you have to do first. For example, you can say that I'm good at designing. When you are good at designing, so you mean that you will be serving, designing other designs, logos, and other design related works. But if you don't have any identified work, it means that you are not aware of what you are going to be serving. So then the next one is to find the target audience. This is the second one. So you need to find the target audience. So this is very important because if you know the audience you are going to be working for, it's the one way to be successful, and it's the one way which is going to be helping you in your journey of being freelancer. So you have to identify who am I going to be designing for if you have a designing skills, or who am I going to be marketing for if you are having marketing skills, or who am I going to be managing for if you have some management skills, or if you have typing skills, who are you going to be typing for. So once you know the target audience, also will be easier for you to find the ones you are going to be serving. So this is the second step, and it's important to know who you are going to be working for. So after identifying who you are going to be working for, also you have to identify the pricing structures. You have to set the pricing structures so that you will be able to work for the money you are having the pricing structure. So in pricing structure, what you include is about how are you going to be charging those clients who are wanting your services. For example, if you want to design a single logo, also you can say that maybe I would be charging this 50 USD per one logo. So this is the pricing structure. You have to set the structure of your prices so that everyone will be aware of your prices, and so that it will be easier for your client to see the prices you are charging to them. So after doing this, also you have to create your portfolio with the past jobs. So here it is very important. It is very important because portfolio is something that is mostly needed by the clients, so that they can be checking what you have been doing in the past, or your skills, the efficiency and the accuracy of your work in the past. Also, this will be very important. If you know that you did participate in any given work in the past, also try to be uh, creating a portfolio which is going to help the clients know about that you have experience in the past, you have been working on the same skills that you are applying for now. So after doing this, also you have to write a great proposal, meaning that you created your portfolio which includes all the work, the jobs and the works you did in the past, but now you are going to create the great proposal. So we shall be talking about how to write a written proposal, and this the step which is very important, because if you have a written proposal, also it is going to increase the chance for you to succeed for any job. So having a written proposal is very important, since it helps the clients to understand what you are applying for, and to see your knowledge and even your skills start showing there on the proposal. If you are not aware of writing a good proposal, also even work will be not completely well. So by writing a proposal, it's the starting of your work. If you are not aware of how to write a given proposal well, also you start failing in the application process. So you have to be aware of the proposal you are writing, and you make sure that your proposal is great. After doing this, also you have identified the clients. Also you have to create a relationship with the client. So you create the relationship with the client so that you can start getting the employments, or start applying to those clients. So you have to create relationship with the clients. So this is very important also, because as far as you are creating relationship with the client, it's the best way to be expressing to them, or so exhibiting your skills to them, showing that you are able to do something so that they can trust you and give you what to do for them. So the last step is to continue developing your skills. So being freelancer doesn't mean that you have all the skills required. Also have to develop the skills. Continue developing the skills is very important, since as freelancer you continue learning new things, and continue improving the skills which can increase your chance or your opportunities to get more jobs. You can also change the department you are working in. For example, you are social media manager, you can change to be social media marketer, or you can change to be graphic design, depending on how you have improved your skills. And as far as you improve the skills, it's the best way to show. Make sure you show your skills to the manager or to the clients, so that they can know that you are aware of doing something. Those are the 7 most important skills you have to keep in mind, so that you can be aware of how to do this, and you can start making money online with these skills if you have mastered all these skills. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as well as get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV. See you in the next video.